Having the right water is very important to hygienically operating humidification systems without malfunctions. The Draabe Pur Systems produce perfect water, individually adapted to the existing water quality and the amount of water required. The PurPure purified pure water system demineralizes water almost completely and removes impurities, germs and bacteria. This prevents deposits building up in the pipes or nozzles and guarantees constant hygienic air humidification. Additional rinsing functions with integrated automatic fresh water prevent contamination even if the air humidifier is not activated. With an operating pressure of 75 bars, the frequency-controlled high-pressure system HiPure creates a pulsating hydraulic flow, which in turn creates the microfine, completely droplet-free atomization of the pure water. Compared to other humidification techniques, for example compressed air or steam, only a fraction of the energy is needed, resulting in cost savings. The Draabe SynPure conductance synthesis is used to meet the requirements for cleanroom humidification for sensitive applications, for example the electronics industry or in offices. As an optional add-on module, the patented synthesis technology removes all dissolved residual minerals from the water so that no additional minerals are introduced to the room. All Draabe Pur systems are built into small portable containers that can be easily removed for servicing in just a few steps. As part of the Draabe full-service maintenance package, Pur systems are replaced with completely serviced and disinfected containers every 6 months. New features and updates are automatically included so that all Pur systems stay up to date. With the full-service maintenance concept, Draabe Pur Systems meet all the requirements of the statutory German accident insurance and also the current state-of-the-art, according to VDI 6022 Sheet 6. A unique feature of Draabe is that components can be individually combined, offering just the right solution for every customer. The technology is packed very compactly into a small container to facilitate the automatic replacement every 6 months. The SynPure in particular makes completely mineral-free humidification possible for sensitive areas in offices and industrial applications.